Dear students, welcome to Fundamentals of Information Technology course. We are in week 5. So, in this week, we are going to cover so many important concepts related to instance messaging and collaboration tools. We will explore the various tools used for real-time communication and teamwork, examining their features, benefits, and best practices for effective use in both professional and personal settings. We will also go through the concept of uh, social networking. So in this section, we will discuss the role of social networking platform in facilitating connections and communication among individuals and organization. We will highlight their impact on both personal relationship and business interaction. We will move towards later in this week about the concept of blogs, vBlogs, and post. So we will discuss the differences between the blogs, vBlogs, and social media post. We will examine how each format serves unique purposes in context of creation, sharing, as well as their relevance in modern communications. Finally, we will discuss about the network troubleshooting. So in these sessions, we will cover essential techniques for diagnosing and resolving some common network issues, providing some practical tips and tools to ensure smooth connectivity and performance in various network environment. So this topic will provide a comprehensive understanding of current digital communication tools and strategies. So now let's start our session with instance messaging and collaboration tools. So what is instance messaging? So what is instance messaging? So instance messaging is a method of real-time text-based communication between people or maybe groups over the internet. It is an efficient way to connect for both personal and professional needs, enabling instant communication, and is often more dynamic than email and faster than phone call. So the purpose of instance messaging is to provide a quick, efficient, and convenient means of communication that facilitate real-time text-based interaction between the individuals or groups. Instance messaging has become an integral part of personal, social, and professional communication, providing several distinct benefits and serving various purposes. So we will discuss about the role of instance messaging because the instance messaging role has expanded beyond just like text-based chat to include a suite of tools that support collaboration, connectivity, and security in a diverse way. So its widespread use highlights its effectiveness in fostering some real-time, efficient, and personalized communication across personal and professional domains. So let's discuss some of the key features. Let's discuss some of the key features of instant messaging. So real-time communication. So instance messaging allows users to send and receive a message almost instantly. So making it ideal for quick conversation, rapid decision making, and immediate feedback. Group chats and channels. So many instance messaging platforms allow user to create groups chats or dedicated channels which are useful for the team discussion or some project collaboration or organizing some social gathering. In the same way, another key feature of instant messaging is multimedia support. So instant messaging is not limited to just text alone. Users can also share images, videos, documents, voice notes, and other files, enriching the conversations and provide our style means of communication. In the same way, another key features of instant messaging is the presence awareness. So messaging platforms typically show whether the user are offline, online, busy, or away. So this feature basically helps people understand when it is appropriate to start a conversation or expect a response. Now, in the same way, another key feature of instant messaging is the cross-platform accessibility. So instant messaging services are accessible on various devices from smartphones to tablets to desktop, allowing user to stay connected and they can interact with each other across multiple devices on multiple platforms. So now let's go through some of the benefits of instance messaging. So speed and convenience. So instance messaging provides a fast, more convenient way to connect than email. So if we compare the instance messaging tools with the email, so it's more faster and more convenient. So especially like it is beneficially in face-to-face environment. It's a cost-effective. So cost-effective, most of the instance messaging services are free or maybe including as a part of services, avoiding like costs associated with traditional SMS or maybe long distance call. Enhanced collaboration. So for businesses, the instance messaging support quick like exchange of information, also seamless teamwork and access across different types of files, and resources are freely available to be accessed through instance messaging tools. So all in one platform. So this is like enhanced collaboration tools that we can use for collaboration and instant messaging. Now, in the same way, personalized and engagement. So usually these tools provide you different types of personalized and engagement features, for example, through emojis, through GIF, or maybe through some multimedia options. So this instance messaging tools enables more personalized and expressive like communication to be happen between the parties. Now, in the same way, security and privacy. So modern instance messaging platform often incorporate like security measures such as end-to-end encryption, ensuring that only the sender and the receiver can read the message. So many business focus instant messaging tools offers like some additional privacy settings where the user can control all the data and the communication that happened between the parties. And also data compliance features is also available in the business model of instance messaging tools. So these will help to protect the sensitive information, and it will make secure environment for the instance communication. Now let's try to discuss like what are the different widely used instance messaging usage. So there are broadly two categories of usage of instance messaging. So personal use and professional use. So let's discuss each of them one by one. So instance messaging is like widely embraced for both personal and professional communication. So due to its like, as we have discussed, like the speed and the convention and the functionalities. So for personal use, friends and families members, they can instantly chat, making it very easy to stay like up to date, and they can interact with each others. So it's like they are sitting next to each other. So personal use, we see that instance messaging are used a lot. So family group members, friends, circles, they can coordinate, like plan some events. Maybe they can simply stay connected, through these messaging tools. And for professional use, team members utilizes the instance messaging to streamline some tasks, coordinations, facilitate like prompt clarification of doubts, and also these tools enables rapid information dissemination, thereby like accelerating decision making processes. So instance messaging allows employees to quickly clear up doubts or ask some questions, reduce like some misunderstanding, and keep the project on track. So so these are the two main usage of instance messaging. So in both personal and professional context, instance messaging has transformed the way we communicate, making it like easier, faster, and more engaging. So its ability to support like everything from casual chats or project collaboration, and making some versatile and indispensable communication, all these can be very easily possible with the help of modern instance messaging tools. Now let's discuss some of the important popular instance messaging tools. So there are many instance messaging standalone popular tools that are available. These examples which I have listed here, most likely you are already using these applications. So WhatsApp. So if we see, our first example of WhatsApp. So WhatsApp, owned by Meta, formerly Facebook, is one of the most widely used instance messaging apps globally. So it offers like a very simple and intuitive interface with secure messaging, voice, and video calling features. So you can see the primary focus is mobile messaging with multimedia support available, and the key features are following are the key features. So for example, the text messaging. So text messaging is quick and reliable messaging with end-to-end encryption and for the privacy. So this tool provides you end-to-end encryption. In the same way, WhatsApp provides you the multimedia support. So support where people can share their videos, their pictures, some voice notes, document, etc. So in fact, they can also share the location and so on. So this tool is so powerful, and it is so reliable tool that it is being used mainly by everyone, right? And some of these popular use cases like personal communication, even most of the companies, they are using this WhatsApp tool for business support purposes, and in the same way informal team coordination. So this is very powerful instance messaging tool which is used by many of us to streamline our communication, and this supports us for sending all types of communication that we are interested from one party to another party. So this tool is a cloud-based messaging app known for its speed, simplicity, and privacy. So it offers both like messaging and also public broadcast channel, making it versatile for personal and group communication. So cloud storage, it store all the messages, media in the cloud, and allowing access from multimedia device without losing any data. So it also provides you the end-to-end encryption. So allowing like in secret chats which offer self-destruction messaging, and cannot be forwarded. So these type of features are available in Telegram. Also large group chats and channels. So it supports, you can see, like 200,000 members. So it supports a group of up to 200,000 members and channels for broadcasting the messages to large audience. Again, it's one of the very popular standalone instance messaging tool, and the popular use cases are like secure personal communication, group communities, and content broadcasting. In the same way, the bot-based user support. Now, bot-based user support, so here the Telegraph allows the custom bots for maybe automating like some task and provide like a high level of customization, making it like it's a very popular among the tech savvy users. Now let's move to our next example, Facebook Messenger. So Facebook Messenger, most of us are already familiar with this type of instance messaging tool. So it allows user to message the friends and family members that are registered in the Facebook account. So making it very easy choice for those already using like some social media platform like Facebook and so on. So this is a very popular instant messaging tool that are being used nowadays by many of us. So it has many key features, and you can see. So as I just mentioned to you, that integration with the Facebook for easy contacts. So all your contacts that are in the Facebook, you can easily see it is available while you use this messenger. In the same way, it allows you for voice and video calls with filtering. So that means support both one-to-one or maybe group voice and video calls, including like filtering, and it also provides you several effects during the video chats. So group chats and story sharing. So basically it offers group messaging, making it easy to stay like connected with the social circle and integrates with Facebook stories. In the same way, this messenger is also used for business integration for customer support. So many companies, they are basically using it for integration with their businesses. So many businesses uses messenger for customer support and chat based like e-commerce, as it support payment features and so many other business related features are available in some regions. So these are some popular use cases like social interaction, customer support for business, social media connected conversation. So all these powerful features are available, and these are the use cases where we see instance messaging like Facebook Messenger are being used. The next example is the Signal. Signal is again a very powerful tool that are being used by many of us. So mainly the main focus is primary, focus is the privacy for this tool. So it's stored, end-to-end, very strong end-to-end encryption features is available in this tool. And it does not collect a lot of data. So minimal data collection, self-destruction, messages for enhanced privacy. So Signal is a privacy focus instance messaging app known for its end-to-end encryption and robust security features. So it has gained like popularity among so many users from different regions. So if the users, they have privacy and security and data encryption is the key, so Signal is the best IM tool to be used for that purpose. So now let's move to some more examples. So the next example is WeChat. So WeChat is very popular in China. It combines like messaging. social media, and payment functional in a single app. So making it like a central part of daily communication and transactions. So as you can see, these are its key features. So messaging, social media, and payment functions. So this is a mini program and services integrated within one app. And it is very popular in China. And you can see here, it is being used for daily communication, for doing different types of transactions, etc. The next example is Viber. Again, Viber is another very popular tool for instance messaging. So Viber support free voice and video calls and group chats, and basically it helps to communicate between the groups and individuals in a more efficient way, more reliable way. So it provides a high end-to-end encryption. So as you can see, most of this tool have a very common set of features that they support, mainly like voice and video communication features, end-to-end encryption features, and so on. So public chat and group chat, these are some other features that are available in Viber, and it is very popular in Europe and Asia. So if we go through all these tools, so basically the conclusion is like the standard instant messaging tools, they are very popular these days. Why they are very popular? Because of their simplicity and their accessibility. So these tools are straightforward to use. There is no like too much configuration or installation that is required. It's very simple. Some of them are cloud based, some are you need to install in your machines, and so on. So the apps are straightforward, and as I said, the setup of these apps are very simple and accessible to wide audience. So this is the main like key features. That's why these apps of instance messaging is so popular. In the same way, the privacy and security. So most of the standalone instant messaging tools, they emphasize on users' privacy and security. So they provide features like end-to-end encryption and self-destructing messages. So the message will be self-destructed after some time. So you can enable these features while you use these instance messaging for communication purposes. In the same way, they have many specialized like features available, like for personal use. They include like so many different features. You can share your audio, video, voice notes. You can download files. There are many features they are available. You can encrypt your data. You can create groups. And in the same way, for businesses, these tools provide you business support in the case of like customer support and all the instance messaging that normally customers wants from the company. So this is all possible because of these tools. So let's discuss some popular enterprise instance messaging tool. So instance messaging tool that comes under enterprise category. So these tools are designed to support professional communication within the organization. It provides like features that promote productivity, collaborations, and security. So these tools, they integrate with some other businesses application, offering like advanced functionality beyond just basic messaging to meet the needs of the enterprise level teams. So as you have seen here, so Cisco Webex, this is one of the enterprise messaging tool app which allows enterprise to manage their conferencing, video conferencing. They can share different types of files on this by using this platform, and these platforms are very secure. So we are going to discuss all of them one by one. In the same way, Slack is another very popular enterprise instance messaging tool that are being used in the enterprises for performing different tasks. Microsoft Team and the Google Chat. So these are some other examples for the enterprise management tool. So these tools are basically having key features through which one can collaborate, one can manage their projects, or they can manage the team. They can use different types of support that is available. So for example, Microsoft Office 365 tool is available, and for file sharing, for communication, for conferencing. So these tools basically have advanced features which are not available in the standalone instant messaging tool. So let's go through each of them one by one. So Microsoft Team. So Microsoft Team is basically designed to bring like people conversation, the contents and the tools together in one place, right? So it's make it very easier for the team to work and collaborate, and all these type of tasks normally that a team perform for a certain project. So Microsoft Team will help them through different features that are available in this tool. So it supports wide range of, as I said, features like real-time messaging, video and audio conferencing, file storage and sharing, and also integrating with some other tools that are required for collaboration and communication purpose, like Microsoft 365 app, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNotes, etc. So Microsoft Team is available in multi-platform, and you can find it is available in desktop, web-based platform, or maybe mobile-based. So it provides like seamless access to collaborate using this tool anywhere and anytime. So as I have just summarized the features that are available in Microsoft Team. So it's the key feature is real-time messaging and threaded chat, video and audio conferencing, and it provides the integration with different tools and applications that normally you use when you perform some collaborative work. In the same way, the tool provides you support for sharing the files, sharing the different contents. Normally you can use certain tools that provides you collaborative work instantly in the same environment. And this tool is also provides you security features. So all your data and your communication is secured. And as you can see, there are different use cases. So Microsoft Team is used for different purposes. So internal team can use this for communication, for collaboration purposes. In the same way, the remote team and hybrid collaboration can be also possible, like sharing of the document of the project files and working parallelly and simultaneously on these files. In the same way, like you can have group discussion, brainstorming session using these tools. So let's go to the next example. So the next example in this category of enterprise instance messaging tool is Slack. So Slack is very popular enterprise instance messaging tool designed to improve like team communication and collaboration. So it is widely used in both small and large organizations due to its flexible channel-based messaging system, extensive integration, and ease of use. So it provides many key features like public and private channel. So channels normally organize like conversations, so maybe by topics, by project, or by team. So that's why it provides you public and private channels. So public channels are normally open to all the team members, while private channels restrict access. In the same way, the direct and group messaging, so it provides you one-to-one messaging, or maybe small groups, or maybe the chat groups. You can create and start communicating using this tool. So Slack basically offers different instant messaging features outside of the channel conversation. In the same way, it provides you support for extension, like you can integrate maybe hundreds of apps. So you can see 2000 plus app can be integrated in the Slack. So Slack integrates around 2000 plus app, including like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, some GitHub, and Zoom, and all those different types of instant messaging app that we have discussed. So you can integrate in this very important tool. So this will allow user to connect Slack, to select Slack to the nearby any features. In the same way, file sharing and searchable message history and robust security features. So all these features are the key. That's why this tool is so popular in the enterprise world. Now, let's discuss our next example, which is the Cisco Webex. So Cisco Webex is another powerful all-in-one collaboration platform designed to meet the need of the modern organization. So it's a robust feature set, very strong security and compliance, and it is also AI driven. Innovations are being integrated into this tool, and also it seamlessly integrate with other applications. So because of all these features leads to a choice for the enterprise. So also, like, it is popularly used in educational institutions and even in the government organization. This tool is very popular, and these are used by different organizations. So whether you are remotely working, or maybe virtual meeting, or maybe you are working in a team and you are collaborating, or maybe some customer engagement that you are organizing, so Webex provide you the features to manage all these in a secure and reliable platform. So it will basically enhance the communication and productivity of the team. So it has so many key features. You can see video meeting, some messaging and file sharing in one app. So it also provide you whiteboard and screen sharing. So you can have like brainstorming sessions, some group discussion and collaborative work, which can be done very easily. Also, it provides you the secure way of storing and sharing the different resources. And integration of Cisco hardware, because Cisco has many hardware that enterprises nowadays uses for the security purpose. So that's why this tool is so secure. It provides end-to-end encryption for all the communication. So as you can see, this is some of the popular use cases: video collaboration, remote team meetings, secure project communication, hybrid work setup. So all these are the possible use cases of Cisco Webex. Now we move to our next example, Google Chat. So Google Chat is a part of like Google Workspace suite, and it is designed to facilitate the team communication and collaboration. So it integrates seamlessly with other Google Workspace application, making it an ideal choice for organizing and the organization that rely on Google ecosystem. So this tool is also one of the popular tool for enterprise collaboration and communication purposes. So it has like certain space or rooms, they call it. So these are dedicated areas for group conversations, or also like it organized the project team and some specific topics where they can communicate and discuss in the group. In the same way, they have something called thread communication. So in the thread communication, normally the chat enables the threaded conversation within the space. So keeping like the discussion focused and making it easier to follow a specific topic. And it also uh, integrates the Google Drive and the Google Docs. So the sharing of the file, storage of the file is so easy, because files normally nowadays we maintain on Google Drive. So files from Google Drive and Google Docs can be shared directly in the chat, and the user can collaborate on Google Docs, Sheets, and slides without leaving the Google chat. So you can see these tools are so powerful, and they are so rich in different features that they provide to you. In the same way, the Google Calendar and the Google Meet integration. So this tool also provide you to integrate your Google Calendar, to integrate your Google Meet. So with one click, user can, for example, start video meetings in Google Meet. So it's very easy, to transition and to start chatting by using this tool. So there are many features. As you can see, it is available in this tool. Security and data management with Google Admin. So it is very efficient. This tool is very efficient uh, to collaborate and to work with the team, because it integrate, as I said, different types of the Google application that we use nowadays. So the team can collaborate seamlessly without switching between the apps. So this is one of the key advantage of using the Google chat. In the same way, the communication organization is improved, because spaces and threaded conversation concepts that this tool provides to you, it helps to organize your discussion, so making it easier to manage the project and reduce the message overheads. In the same way, it provides you the enhanced security and admin control. So Google Chat support various workspace bots and custom chat bots that automate workflows, send like reminders and notify the users about the important updates. So these are some popular use cases. Communication within the organization using Google Workspace, project-based group chats, document collaboration. So our next example in enterprise instant messaging tool category is the Zoom Team Chat. So Zoom Team Chat is an enterprise instance messaging tool integrated into the Zoom platform, designed to facilitate the team communication and collaboration. So it serves as a hub for real-time messaging and collaboration within the organization. So it offers seamless integration with the Zoom video conferencing capabilities. So most of us already we are familiar with the Zoom platform. So this Zoom Team Chat basically provides you an enterprise level of support for instant messaging. So it provides you support like direct and group messaging, so user can engage in one-to-one conversation or create a group for team discussion. It also provides you support for creating the channels. So channels can be organized based on the project. So the team can organize or create different channels to manage its project team, or maybe the topics, or maybe like keeping the conversation organized and easy to access. So again, like in the previous case, Zoom also provide you the public and private channels. So depending on the need and the access control of the communication. So real-time messaging with the direct with channels and direct messaging, seamless integration with the Zoom video call, file sharing and chat history, notification and status indicator, and encrypted messaging for secure communication. So these are some of the key features that are available in Zoom Team Chat. So some of the popular use cases for Zoom team Chat is instance messaging for a remote team. So if there are a project where the teams are being located remotely, so they can use the Zoom team chat to communicate and collaborate on that project. In the same way, integrated video calls and project management, these are the other use cases for using the Zoom team chat. Now we move to our next example, uh, Mattermost. So Mattermost is another very powerful enterprise management tool, and mainly this tool is open source. So enterprise grade instance messaging, and it provides you collaboration platform. So mainly the collaboration platform is designed for secure communication within the organization. So originally it is created as an alternate to Slack, but Mattermost is widely used in industrial projects with strict like security and compliance needed, such as government, healthcare, and finance. So Mattermost can be like self-hosted or used in the cloud environment, offering a high level of controls and customization. So Mattermost integrates also with some popular, developer tools like Jira, like GitHub, like GitLab, and so on. So this tool making, these features, making these tools so powerful for engineering teams, and Mattermost allows like users to share files directly. As you can see here, I have listed the key features. So self-hosted options for complete data control, customization, integration and plugin. So you can integrate different types of other applications in this tool, threaded conversations and file sharing. So different types of support that we required when we are working on collaborative work, and if we are not working in a team, but it's the team is in the remote location. So basically these tools are very, very useful. So sharing the ideas, sharing the brainstorming sessions, and so on. So these tools are so powerful. Multi-channel communication with role-based access control. So these are so powerful features normally the available in these tools that will help you to manage your project with ease. So some of the popular use cases: messaging for companies with strict data control and customizable internal communication, and DevOps and engineering team. So all these are the popular use cases related to the Mattermost enterprise instance messaging tool. Now we move to our next example. So the next example is Workplace by Meta. So Workplace by Meta is a business communication and collaboration platform developed by Meta, formerly Facebook, designed to facilitate like internal communication and collaboration within the organization. So this tool is built on like a familiar social media interface. Workplace integrates Meta user-friendly features with enterprise grade security and integration capabilities. So the key features for this tool is real-time messaging and group chat, live video streaming for team announcements, and as I said, familiar interface like Facebook. So also it provides you file sharing and knowledge libraries, security features for data protection. So um, these tools are so popular, and uh, it depends on the organization, depends on the need of the business. They can choose any one of these tools which we have discussed in our session. Now we move to our next topic, um, that is collaboration. So in the previous um, slides, we have discussed about the instance messaging, and now we are discussing the collaboration tools. So online collaboration tools, they has become like indissoluble for modern business and teams, especially those operating remotely or across diverse geographical locations. So these tools spans like a variety of purposes, from like code development to project management to team communication. So these tools empowers team to work seamlessly regardless of the physical distance, fostering effective communication, information sharing, project management, and task collaboration. So what is the key purpose of the collaboration tool is streamlining the workflow. So by bringing like communications, file sharing, and task management into one place, these tools reduce the need for separate applications and simplify, okay, enhancing the productivity. With all the resources and the communication accessible in one interface, team members can focus on the task without the distraction of switching between the platform. The communication, so communication and collaboration tool promote effective like teamwork by providing real-time communication and shared workspace where the team members can collaborate on documents, task, project progress, and receive instance update. Now let's discuss our next topic, like common features of collaboration tool. So common features, real-time messaging. So these tools enables instance communication between the team members, reduce response time, and keep the conversations flow. In the same way, video conferencing and screen sharing. So these tools allows virtual meetings and presentations, making it easier to explain some complex ideas and collaborate visually. File sharing and document collaboration. Team members can upload, share, and edit documents collaboratively, often with version control mechanism to keep track of the changes that are happening while the team are working on that project. Task and project management. So tools like task board, timelines, and project tracking features help the team organize their work, assign responsibilities, and monitor the progress. Notification and alerts. So with this feature, mainly the team members are informed about any updates, task changes, and new messages that arrives. So because of these features, the tool ensures that everyone stays in the loop. Now let's try to discuss the types of collaboration tool. So these tools are available, and based on the categories like project management tool. So some of the tools are enriched in project management support, others are in communication platforms. Some other tools are very enriched support in document collaboration, file sharing, and virtual whiteboards. So in the case of project management, tools like Trello, Monday.com, and etc. So these tools provide like a structured way to assign tasks, set the deadlines, and monitor the project timeline, enhancing the accountability and organization. In the same way, the communication platform. So platforms such as Slack and Microsoft Team focuses on real-time messaging, group chat, and video calls, enabling fast and accessible communication. Document collaboration, tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365 allows team to work on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations simultaneously, fostering a communication and collaborative editing experiences. File sharing services, so platforms like Dropbox, OneDrive allows team to store and share large files securely, ensuring everyone has the access to the necessary resources. Virtual whiteboards, so tools like Miro and Mural provides interactive space where teams can brainstorm ideas, organize thoughts visually, and create mind maps. So some of the benefits of the collaborative tools: um, flexibility in work location, centralized knowledge base, and enhance the transparency and accountability. So flexibility in works location, so it enables like remote and hybrid team to work effectively from anywhere. Also centralized knowledge base, so it allows for a single source of truth, where files, discussions, and tasks are stored and accessible to all the team members. Enhanced transparency, so it provides visibility into the task ownership and project timelines, with foster accountability and keeping everyone aligned with their goal. So these tools mainly provides space for brainstorming, feedback, and informal interaction, with helps in building a strong team culture and boosting the engagement. So now let's go through some of the examples of these collaborative tools. So the first example is the GitHub. So GitHub is basically provides version control, issues tracking, project management, and code review. It supports open source and private repositories, and it integrates with other tools like continuous integration and continuous development. So GitHub is a vital tool for software development, engaging like some collaborative code development and some change tracking and project management. So all these are the important features for the GitHub that you can easily avail while you are collaborating on any project. In the same way, the GitLab is another it's another very powerful collaboration tool, and it goes beyond like code hosting, with built features for continuous integration and continuous development, code review, issue tagging, and monitoring. So GitLab is a powerful for its all-in-one DevOps platforms, allowing team to manage code and development and perform metrics in a unified environment. So all these are the importance features of this tool. It reduces like development time and automate the pipelines. The importance of this tool is that it facilitates secure and compliant coding practices, etc. The next example is Jira. So this tool is a project management tool, especially for software development. So its features that it allows a team to plan, track, and manage the software development projects. So it integrates with GitHub and GitLab and some other development tools. So it's widely used for agile project development, and it offers tools for sprint planning, backlog management, and issue tracking. So all these are the key features and important of this particular tool. Now, in the same category, we have another example, Microsoft Team. So Microsoft Team focuses on collaboration and communication platform. So the team combines, as we have discussed earlier, chat, videos, conferencing, file sharing, and collaboration tool. So it integrates seamlessly with some other Microsoft applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. So this type of tool is very important for team that is working by using Office 365 support, and they are collaborating in real time, and it basically helps in enhancing the productivity of the project. Now let's go through some more examples. So we have Confluence. So this tool basically used for creating the shared document project and knowledge base support. It integrates very well with Jira, and it is used for managing the project also. So this tool is having so many features, as you can see here. All these are highlighted here. So this is team collaboration on one page, integration with the Jira, and the importance of this tool is has like excellence for creating, storing, and sharing the knowledge, facilitating documentation alongside project management. So this is again a very good project management tool. Zoom, as we have already discussed earlier, so this is another the collaboration tool, and it is used mainly for video and voice conferencing, webinar and virtual events, screen sharing, and a breakout rooming, and these are the important features that are available. And so ideally this tool is mainly used for communication and conferencing purposes, and it facilitates like large scale event and training, and it is widely used for remote work and distributed team environment. Another example is Miro. So this tool is also a very popular tool for providing like shared canvas for brainstorming, diagram if you want to discuss and draw parallelly with your team, some visual collaboration you want to achieve in real time. So you can use this tool. So the team can work together with stick notes and drawings and chart. So this Miro is an excellent for team needs like some visual collaboration, particularly for remote brainstorming session, design sprints, and agile workflow. So all these are the importance of this tool. So I have already discussed this. So it enables visual brainstormings and ideas mapping, fostering team aligning and creativity in virtual space. The next type of collaboration tool is Monday.com. Again, this tool offers customizable workflow, the task management, time tracking, collaboration with the team, and it provides a rich support of features. So it is highly visual, and it provides you boards, timeline, calendars. So there are many features that you can use to manage your work, and it also supports integration with multiple apps, and these are the importance of this tool. So it boosts the team productivity with tailored workforce, centralized project management with customizable board, and so on. So Monday.com is a easy to use and adaptable for team in any industry, allowing them to create custom workflow and automate tasks. The next example is the Trello. So, so this tool Trello is simply and it is intuitive for task tracking, project management, and team collaboration. So teams can create like different types of list and card to manage workflow. So it is important because it's a lightweight, easy to use, and flexible, making it suitable for both small teams and large organization needing some visual tracking. So again, this tool is used for visual tracking and task declaration and description. So these are the key features. So Kanban style task board and list, assignments and due dates, you can manage it through this tool. power-ups for integration with Slack, Google Drive, etc. And these are its importance. Now, let's discuss some of the challenges of these tools. So, although these instance messaging tool and collaboration tool offer significant advantages in enhancing the workspace communication and collaboration, they also present some challenges. Distraction. So distraction basically can be a major issue, um, as constant integration, group chats, and rapid exchange of often interrupt like focus, leading to information overload and decrease the productivity. In the same way, security risk, instance messaging and collaboration platform can be vulnerable to data leak, unauthorized access, and phishing attack, particularly if the robust security measures isn't in place. So basically, the dependency. So over reliance may disrupt the workflow when technical issues arises, or when the platform experiences downtime, delaying critical communication and slowing the productivity. Learning curve. So learning curve, team member may need time to adopt to new tools. So as a team member may need time and training to adopt the new feature, which initially can reduce the productivity and sometimes lead to resistance among the employee. So effective usage policies, strong security protocols, and comprehensive training are essential to mitigating these challenges and ensuring that instance messaging and collaboration tool enhance the productivity rather than hinder the workspace efficiency. So what are the best practices? So some of the best practices are listed here. So establishing communication norms. So set clear guidelines on when to use instance messaging, emails, or person meeting. This will help prevent like miscommunication and ensure that the team members use each channel appropriately based on the nature and the urgency of the communication. Secure awareness. Equip users with training on secure practices such as recognizing phishing attack, managing sensitive information, and adhering to password protocol. So security awareness is the crucial for minimizing risks like data breach and unauthorized access. Tool integration. Select the tools that seamlessly interact with your existing like software. Integrate systems, reduce redundancy, enhance productivity, and allow for smoother like workflow. Helping team member access the right information without switching between the multiple platform. In the same way, avoiding overuse. So encourage the team members to find a balance between the real-time communication and focused work. It's important to establish quiet hours or designated like time block for uninterruption work to minimize the distraction and enhance the productivity. So this approach help maintain a healthy workflow and prevent burnout. Customization and automation. So leverage the customization options and automation features such as bots in platforms like Slack to improve the workflow efficiency. Automating repetitive tasks can free up time for more critical activities, streamline processes, and reduce the convention load on the team members. So customization basically allows team members to tailor the tools to fit their specific need, enhancing user experiences and engagement. So some use cases, selected use cases of these communication and collaboration tools through instance messaging and collaboration tool. So business communication. So large enterprises tools like they can use like Microsoft Team and Slack for internal communication, project management, and cross department collaboration. So this platform facilitates seamless information sharing, enabling team to coordinate effectively and drive productivity across the organization. Remote work. So with the rise of remote work, organization increasingly depend on the tool like Zoom, Microsoft Team, and Slack to maintain the connectivity among the team members. So these platforms support virtual meetings, real-time collaboration, and continuous engagement, ensuring that the employee can work together effectively regardless of their physical location. Education. So in the education settings, platform like Google Classroom and Microsoft Team have already become an essential for the teachers and for the students. So they provide a space for collaboration on assignments, sharing resources, and managing project, thereby enhancing the experiences and fostering the teamwork among the students. The development team. So development team utilizes the GitHub in conjunction with the Slack to manage the code collaboration and bug tracking. So this integration allows for efficient version control, streamline the communication about the coding project, and effective tracking of issues, facilitating a more organized develop process. So let's discuss the future trends. So the future trends of IM, instance messaging and collaboration tool. So artificial intelligence integration. So the integration of AI-driven features is transforming the collaboration tool by providing chatbots for customer support and team interaction, workflow automation to streamline this repetitive task, and smart scheduling systems that are optimize the meeting time based on participants' availability. So this enhance the efficiency and reduce the manual workload for user. Augmented reality collaboration. So the rise of remote work has prompted the incorporation of the AR, the augmented reality, into the collaboration platform. So virtual meetings may begin to include AR components, allowing participants to interact with the 3D models or virtually aids in the real time. So this technology can enhance understanding and engaging during discussion, particularly in the field of designing and engineering. More secure platform. So as cyber threats become increasingly sophisticated, IM and collaboration tools are prioritizing security enhancement. So platform will continue to improve the encryption methods, implement advanced authentication protocols, and develop features to safeguard sensitive information, ensuring that the user can communicate and collaborate securely. Increase automation. The trend towards increased automation will lead to more sophisticated tools capable of handling complex tasks such as meeting scheduling, task assignments, process tracking without significant user intervention. So these involves will allow team for more focus on the strategic decision making and creative problem solving rather than getting bogged down in administrative tasks. So let's conclude this topic. So we have discussed instant messaging and collaboration tool, which has transformed how people communicate and work together, making it easier for teams, businesses, and individuals to collaborate efficiently, no matter where they are located. Also, we have discussed the tools and and how we can adopt the best practices for their use, because it can greatly enhance the productivity, foster the team, and reduce the communication gap that often occur in the workspace. This completes this session. We'll see you in the next session. Thank you.